Hi, this is Jim from the Wax Shop. Today we're going to be focusing on a very important process, whether you're waxing your vehicle or getting ready to do paint reconditioning or paint correction. That's going to be with our Slick and Slide Clay Lube. What our Clay Lube was designed to do to give you longer working time, provide excellent lubricity between the paint surface and the clay to minimize any scratching while you're removing the paint contaminants. What I like to do before I start anything with paint contamination removal is to first, you can feel the surface. It really, you feel a little bit of bumps. I use a piece of cellophane or a sandwich bag and rub the surface, and it really magnifies the amount of contamination that's on the paint surface. So now that I know what I'm working with, this also is a good guide to let me know how long I need to work the surface. Take a fresh piece of clay. And it's very important that this doesn't touch any other surface than the paint surface. If you drop this piece of clay, you want to throw it in the garbage, get another piece. You want to flatten it out, and you want to be able to use this portion of your hand right here. Don't use just your fingertips because it won't be as even as using this section here. So now you're going to take your Slick and Slide Clay Lube, give it a little shake, spray it in a 2x2 area. Take your clay. You want to go back and forth or up and down, never in a circular motion. You never want to introduce new scratching into the vehicle. This helps minimize the scratches that are introduced. This product isn't flashing too quickly to where I have to keep reapplying. But if a surface is dry or your clay feels a little grabby, you want to apply some more lubrication. Gives that great slick feel. There's no grabbing of the clay, no clay sticking to the surface. Now, if you look at the clay, you can see there's brown around most of the edges. That's the rust and industrial fallout that you've pulled from the surface of the vehicle. Now you're ready to apply either your wax or start your paint correction procedures. So now that I've cleaned that area or used the clay to remove the contaminants, wipe dry. What I like to do is take that cellophane again, go over the surface to see if I'm ready. It's like glass, so now I'm ready to either apply my wax or start my paint correction process. Thank you for watching this video. Please look for more videos from the Wax Shop on how to properly maintain your vehicle's surface.